Hello Mitsubishi friends! We speak directly from our booth at FEIMAFE 2015 in Brazil and take this opportunity to thank everyone who visited us at this event. Through this video, you can take a look at some of the products and services we offer. On indexable milling, we highlight the new cutter series WSX 445 with 8 corner inserts. There are 30 options of inserts plus 2 wiper grades, suitable for a wide range of work materials. WSX 445 applies the unique double Z geometry with excellent sharpness, resulting in reduced cutting forces at negative high-strength inserts. The new solid end mill series VF FDRB was developed to offer high-feed milling at high-hardness work materials. High-feed milling is well known by die and mold industry, but Impact Miracle VF FDRB can machine 2 steels over 60 HRC. For turning applications, the new grade MC6015 completes the system of breakers and grades for ISO work materials. The development of MC6015 combines the most recent CVD coating technologies into the first choice grade for P10 application range, offering increased cutting speed and process reliability at steel turning operations. Take a look at few more highlights. MVX drill, series expansion up to diameter 63 mm, CBN grade BC8110 for high-speed turning of hardened steels, GY grooving and parting series expansion with dedicated insert sizes for O-ring and circlip grooving operations. Our services include Inova Tools, a Brazilian brand specially developed to correspond to the needs of local market through design and manufacturing in Brazil. Mitsubishi Materials wants to show you we are more than a tool manufacturer. We are your global craftsman studio. Check out more at our website. Thank you very much.